everybody, this is Sasha Monique Talks. So I did another video, so I'm back. I said I might as well do these empties and get this stuff out of my house, and I didn't know I had this much stuff stacked away. So let me get started. These are the paper towels from Walmart. I think it's 68-69 cents. And they are okay. You know, not the best, but they're okay. They'll get you through. You know, sometimes you just need stuff to get you through. I have these scented wax melts from Dollar Tree. Yeah, Dollar Tree. And it was $1.20. You can see. It's $1.25. They still smell good. Smells so good. Smells so good. I have the Colgate baking soda and peroxide toothpaste. And this is good. I forget where I got this from. It might have been Walmart. I think it might have been Walmart. Let's see if I have another one. Or is this it? No, I don't. I have, oh, okay, here it is. This is the baking soda that came out of this and peroxide, and it's very good. I have the AIM toothpaste. I probably got this from Dollar Tree. It's good. I got the Pro Silk Body with vitamin E, 24 ounces. And I think this was still $1.25. It's a great buy. And like I said, always say, it smells like bubble gum. But who cares if it gets you clean? And don't want, and you cheap like me, who cares if it smells like bubble gum? All the real cheap ones smell like bubble gum. I got the White Rain moisturizing shampoo, and this is the Apple Blossom. So at the time I got this, CVS had a clearance area, and I got a bunch of I think White Rain and Suave, and it was very cheap, so I just got a bunch of them. So you're gonna see a lot of them in my empties. Apple, that smells so good. That smells so good. And this was 15 fluid ounces. This light is changing up again. This product here, I am in love with it. This is Dettol. And they usually have that solution. It's like it's supposed to sanitize things. I haven't gotten that in a while, but they have the Cool Dettol soap. It smells good. It works very well, especially for the summer. You're sweating and everything, get this, pick it up. I got it from Value Zone and it was $2.99, and I have either 1 or 2 more left that I will be using up. It smells so good. Get this, y'all. I'm telling you. Get this. This is great. I have the lemon pine sol. And this was decent. It's nice and strong. But I think I like the pine better, but if I see it on sale, I'm getting it, y'all. Oh, here's another Dettol that I used up. I have some petroleum jelly, and I have a little bit in there, so that's going to be used up probably by tomorrow. Got that from CVS. I have the Ace laundry detergent. I had this since I lived at the other place 2 years ago, and I found it and I said, let me use this up. And this one is the delicate one. You see they have a baby up there, and the smell is not all that strong, but it is gentle and it does work well. So these are the Ace from the other countries, and someone told me a while ago, some years ago, that this is Tide. Okay. So I have been having a hard time finding this again because the stores that I used to go to, one closed, and then the other one, they haven't been carrying it. So somebody told me about another store, and I'm going to try that and see if I can get it there, because I'm sure it went up, but it was very affordable. I used to buy this all the time. Not the gentle one, but it was another one. I used to buy it all the time. So I got an Ivory soaps that I'm finished with. And I just brought some more. It's not back there. I just picked up some more. Ivory soap don't float no more. You remember it used to float? It needs the ingredients in it, and that's why it doesn't float anymore. I have the Listerine soap that's good for your skin, and I get this from CVS. I don't see the soap online. I always see it in the store, and it's usually like $1 and something. Sometimes I have like $1 off coupon, and I just pay like maybe about 15, 20 cents, 25 cents, something like that. This is good. I have 2 of the Zest soaps. This was good. Did I have more? I think I have a little bit left over. Yeah. A little bit left over that I'm going to use up. This here, I have it at CVS online, and I think they have it at Walmart. This is the Fresquito multi-use cleaner, ultraviolet. This smells so good. This smells so good. So if you're a fan of Fabuloso, if you're on a budget, pick this up, because it was $1 and something, and you're getting 32 ounces. So I got to buy some more of this. This was really good. I have Pine Sol. Y'all know how that smells and everything. It's good. Got this from CVS. I got the Tide Simply All-in-One. It smells okay. Got this from CVS on sale. This is one of my favorite body washes. This is the St. Ives Pink Lemon and Mandarin Orange Exfoliating Body Wash. This is so rich. It is so good. And I be getting it on sale sometimes. If you don't get it on sale, sometimes it can be a little pricey like all the rest of them. And but this is really good. I like this a lot. And this is 22 ounces, but you just got to put a little squeeze and it goes a long way. It lasts a long time. I think this is from that AIM toothpaste that I showed y'all. This was excellent. I mean, it really was. This is the Very Soft Beauty Soap from, I got it from Dollar Tree. And I had gotten like 2 packs of them, and there's 3 that come in there. And the bars are like that. They're not real big. But it made my skin feel so good, and it smells good. It has a nice smell. And I like to switch from, of course, I use body wash, shower gels. But sometimes I like to switch up to the soap. And so I'm going to get some more of this when I see it. The last time I went to Dollar Tree, I didn't see it, and I was a little disappointed that I didn't see it. But I noticed with Dollar Tree, you got to get stuff when you see it, then right then and there, because you may not see it again. I have the Total Home Bath Tissue. This is always good. Always good. It lasts pretty good. And I get this on my membership card, the CVS. But you can go to the store and just use your regular card that they have, and sometimes it's $7. You're getting 12 rolls, but they're 1,000 sheets, so that's a good buy. I have some Suavitel. The one that I get all the time is Field Flowers, and it smells so good. It smells so good. But y'all know I get by this all the time. I have some Blue Magic conditioner hair dress, which we call hair grease. Okay, that's what we call it, hair grease. Been using this since, this is real old because I was using it when I was a kid. My mother used to use it on us. And so I always get that if they have it on, a good price, because this went up a lot. Some places is real high, and then other places like $2, maybe $3. Arm & Hammer Ultra Max with baking soda, 3-in-1 clear formula, body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. This is always good. Sometimes I can find it and sometimes I can't. Last time I went to Dollar Tree was maybe about a week and a half ago. I couldn't find this. That's good. It smells so good. Make you smell so clean. Now this is the Oxidol Ultra Dishwashing Liquid. For a while, this was real watery, especially during the pandemic. It was real watery to me. So this time when I brought it, it seemed like it was a little better. So maybe they're making some improvements, hopefully. This is the package of the Zest that I showed you. Here's another Ivory soap, and it's another Dettol also. This is the Suavitel Complete Morning Sun, and these are the dryer sheets. This is really good, and it lasts a long time. I don't always put my stuff in the dryer, to be honest with you. But when I do, I use this and I like it a lot. And you're getting 70 sheets in here. That's a good buy. And the smell lasts pretty good in this, with this. Well, they said you can put it in your drawers, closets, suitcases. That's good. Gym bag. Get this. I have the Listerine Original. This is always good. And I said in the other video that at my dentist's office, they just take the cap, they'll put the water up to there, and then they'll finish filling it up with the Listerine or whatever mouthwash they have, and it works well and it saves you some money. Because the Listerine can be high. It can be very high. I have the palm olive. I get that all the time. This is the ultra strength, and it's pretty good. Y'all know I always buy this. And then my last item is the everyday strong and absorbent paper towels. I got this from Stop and Shop, and I liked it. It was good. We'll be getting it again. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I don't know when I'm coming back with some more, but I will be doing some content. I don't know if it's going to be short or long form. You know what? I'm going to just keep it real, y'all. All these new rules and stuff with YouTube, and then the views are not viewing. My long form content is not hardly getting any views. Okay, and they change things up on us. I know that they have to change sometime, but they switch up on us where we don't hardly get views, which means that you're not gonna hardly get any money. So I'm just ranting right now. That makes me not really want to make long form content, because you take your time to make it, and then you have to edit the video and everything. So I've been doing this a long time, y'all. I enjoy it. I've always enjoyed YouTube, but the rules are getting ridiculous. Okay. I love you all. I will be back soon, but it may be a short video. Be wanting to make the long ones. I don't want to waste my time, and I don't want to waste y'all's time. Okay, bye, y'all.